a lightweight blockchain for transaction tracking. So this is one blockchain-based ledger by using Python and Streamlit. So Streamlit is nothing but it is one tool. So it will help to create the one web apps by using Python. So in this we can add button, text boxes, charts to display the data like that we can add. So it is mainly used for build the data dashboard. So it will interact with the applications. So in this project, so it will allow the users to enter the financial transaction like sender and receiver and how much amount they need to send to the receiver like that. So and then it will be stored in the blocks by using this proof of work. So POW. So by using this, it will store in the blocks. So this is one mechanism. So and then this blockchain data will be integrated by the linking the blocks. So through the hashes. So integrity is nothing but it will maintain the accuracy, consistency like that. So once if the data, like once if the block is added means it cannot be altered without that invalidation. So that it make the system more secure. So this user can view the validations and they can adjust the block difficult. So first we need to import this required libraries like pandas, Streamlit. So after that, we need to run by using this Streamlit run pychain.py. So this is our code. So first we need to import the required libraries, and then so by using this and data class, we are creating one classes. The class name is record. So it will store the transaction ID like sender, receiver, amount like that. So the class name is block. So each block in this blockchain will contain this record. So this is our block class. So in each block in this blockchain will contain this record. So in this we have creator ID, previous hash, timestamp, and endpoints. So creator ID is for the identify the block creator, and previous hash is nothing but it will store the hash of previous block. So this is our timestamp. So it will capture the time when the block was created, and endpoints. So it is used for that POW. Before I said no, like proof of work process, that is a mechanism. So to use that, we are taking as endpoints. So this is our PyChain class. We are storing the list of blocks in the objects, and then this is our function. So proof of work, and we are creating one add block, and this will add block is nothing but it added mind block to the chains and is valid. So it will check, it will verify the blockchain whether it integrated by the previous block that matches the current block. So this is for the Streamlit interface. First, we need to set up. So it will initialize the blockchain with the Genius block. So user will enter like sender, receiver, amount like that. User will enter. So clicking add blocks. So it will create the new block and perform mining and add it to the chain. And then block difficult can be adjusted by the user side. So at last, our block data will be displayed by using this Panda data frame for the claim and in the tabular view. So let me run this code and I will show you how the blockchain is working. So PyChain. So see here, it is asking that sender, receiver, amount. So sender, maybe one name. So just we need to click this add block. So once it is created, so here it is sender is Chan and receiver is Jiva and the amount is 12,000 like that. So once if you add this block, it will create our PyChain ledgers. So in tabular form it is storing and then just clicking valid chain, it will display as true. So our block is created. So see here, here it is the block difficulty. You can adjust this block difficulty. So it will keep us our block as more secure so others cannot access our block.